Now, one thing that really puzzles me is why did Ramone decide to go green? If that makes sense, because I completely understand that. He's his own palette and he paints himself and entitled to their own opinion and all that. But I don't know. I'm just not a fan of the green, to be honest. It's not bad, but there are definitely better paint jobs that he's had here in the past. Well, of course, it's classic, your most iconic purple with orange flames on the side. That's the paint job that most people associate him with, including me. And there's also a red one, a yellow one, and even a radiator spring Ramone, which I actually forgot to put in the background. You see, in the background, because I really should have. I really should have. It's a bit. You don't know why I didn't think that really. Next time, whenever I do Ramone, I will put Radiator Springs Ramone in the background. He's a chase, by the way. So subscribe if you want to see my latest Ramone video. Well, it'll be this, of course, but all my other videos. So just subscribe, please. Still, this livery appears in Cars 2 at start, I believe. And yes, I remember now. There's a scene with Otis comes flying in and hey Otis, how do I make it this way? This time, sorry. Halfway to the county line. Ooh, not bad, man. Yeah, that's what they say. That's what they say. Yeah, I do like Ramone though. He's a good character. Simply lovely, as Max Verstappen would say. Still, let's have a closer look. So it's always actually quite nice. Well, yeah, I think. Still, we got a couple of abstract. Will that be the word? I don't know. Don't even know what the word means. So, still, he's got some green rectangles and some lime green stripe going, along him. Well, it's got some blue lines as well. I don't know, I actually quite like it. Don't you think? So, no window bars. No, well, to be honest, I'm kind of comparing it to the Piston Cup races, because I think all of the Piston Cup races have window bars. Some of them have 2, some of them have 3, some have 4. And I think a couple might have 5 as well. Not sure on that one, but need to double check. Still red trim going along the outside. I don't know how I can see it out. I'll lower my lights. Can you see it? Yeah, you go. Little grey rims. Low and slow. That's how I like my brisket cut. I'm joking, by the way. Never had brisket in my life. I guess the closest I had will be steak. Still red stripe. Maybe my opinion is changed after all. I do actually quite like him. What are your thoughts on him? Tell me in the comments. Have a nice day, folks.